Okay folks, this is a special episode of my car, of the saga of my battery. It's been almost 3 weeks that I'm struggling with my battery ever since I got back from Europe. I have tried to get it changed from Amaron. It has not worked out. They cannot find the battery that I'm looking for. The original battery given by Fiat was Exide and it had lasted me, I bought it in 2014. It's been 4 years and it has given me, decent service. I like to use Amaron, but I can't even find it. I am running the kind of a replacement battery for the past, I ran one day and again the car doesn't start. So I'm in a kind of a fix. This is this episode for that particular saga that is happening. Yeah. You see, you can clearly make out that this is redder than this, but I can at the same time vouch for the fact that the pain is almost gone. I mean, I wouldn't say almost, but I have 80% relief compared to what the pain was yesterday. Not enough. A very good morning folks, this is Krishnendu. For those of you who are new, go and subscribe. I'm at my breakfast enjoying my delicious lava cheese gifted to me by Brigitte when I was in France. For those of you who are not aware of who Brigitte is, just click up here and you'll get an introduction to who Brigitte is. Absolutely delicious, absolutely. As long as it lasts, it's good. I can make it last for another few days. Some of you might be wondering that I began today's vlog with a shot of my two toes, big toes. Well, since yesterday, I've been suffering from this not acute pain, but a significant amount of pain due to an ingrown toenail. I tried a couple of remedies. Today it's much better, but it's still slightly red. Hope it gets better. If you want to see what those remedies that I tried, you just have to click here and you'll know the probable origins of that problem. I just discovered this new route to go back home, which seems it's marginally shorter or maybe considerably shorter. I'll get to know once I get home. It's probably marginally shorter, but it's quieter and more beautiful. Yeah, I've been living here for 15 and a half years, and it took me a while to not discover. I knew this, but it's just a thing of thinking out of the box. I'll put my vlog to render. It says 19 minutes, which means it will take about half an hour. In the meanwhile, I'm sitting in my car, trying to start it. Yes, the saga of the battery is not over. I'm still trying to start my battery. I'm still trying to start my car. Okay, it does not start. It does not matter because I just got a phone call saying that the battery that I was looking for is available. No, the battery that I was looking for is not available, but another battery, I think it is Bosch, is available. I was looking for Amaron, no Amaron, for Fiat 350. I don't know. I mean, what's the big deal about Amaron with Fiat or the 350 specification? Well, they got it for Bosch. I think I have had enough. It's nearly 3 weeks that I'm trying to start my car. I want to have some peace of mind. I'll go with Bosch. Amaron? Sorry. So these guys are already here and they are busy taking off the old battery. Hopefully this time it works. But looking at this particular battery does not inspire confidence. But I think it shouldn't go by the looks of a book. This will start. It has started. So my car is running now. Still looks a little inflamed. I'm so happy that my car started with a new battery that I'm just sitting in my car enjoying my car with the AC on for the last 10 minutes.